Hi, this is Yasili from SAP Business One Solution Architect team. In the following 20 minutes, and we are going to learn the test automation tool for SAP Business One. That is the B1 Test Composer, B1TC. And we are going to learn how to create end-to-end test automation for SAP Business One. Nowadays, some customer they have concern about the upgrading the project, upgrade project for the upgrade long upgrade cycle and upgrade cost. Mostly because for the long and end-to-end testing, acceptance testing, and they are looking for the solution how to accelerate the end-to-end acceptance testing for the upgrade, and then reduce the upgrade project cost and the cycle by test automation. And for some, for our partners, especially for those partners who developing the add-on solution and would like to improve the quality of their add-on solution by doing more testing, more testing coverage for the add-on scenario, and then would like to reduce the workload for the unit or regression testing for each patch of a Business One or new release of a Business One. And of course, would like to do the such kind of testing by the automation. Yeah, the solution for such kind of a concern and pain point is the test automation tool for Business One. That is the B1 Test Composer. And then in the following, we are going to learn. I'm going to give you an overview introduction to the B1TC, and after that, I would like to show you the live demo and end-to-end how to create end-to-end test automation for Business One. And what I'm going to do is to record the script, record what I have done for the testing in Business One. The first script I would like to record, it is to start Business One, to launch Business One, and then log in with the username and password. And secondly, I would like to create a script for the scenario to adding the sales order, and then I would like to set up a checkpoint when adding the sales order to check whether is add the sales order successfully or not. And specifically, I would like to set the checkpoint for the dog total. I would like to set up the expect value for the dog total, and I would like to check when I run the script next time. I would like to check the dog total again. With the actual value with the expected value for the dog total, and if they're equal to each other, and then in everything. The testing runs fine, and then Business One, the testing go well, and then finally to close Business One. And then after we recording the script, I would like to show you how can we replay the script, and there will be 2 weeks. The first one is we can replay the script by manually, and then we can check the result in a given report, and whether the total is equal to is expected value or not, and or if whether the sales order is added successfully. The second way, a lot of people would be interesting for the real test automation, end-to-end real test automation. Meanwhile, they would like to launch the testing by the scheduler, maybe at midnight, and then to launch the automation and to launch Business One and to do the testing, add a sales word and close Business One. And then finally, after the testing, I would like to get the email notification about the results, and then everything, all of the testing would be automatically. So that's the what we're going to do in the next 50 minutes. For the introduction, actually, B1TC, the full name is the SAP Business One Test Composer. It's an test automation tool built on top of the Business One SDK, and then also with the .NET framework as well. And then you can record very order of action within Business One. Like you click the menu, you like open the form, you enter the value there, and then you can set up some check form. Like I just said, you can set up check form and help you to verify the data, the actual value against the expected value, whether the testing success or not. And then whatever it is, the end-to-end testing scenario for the standard Business One business process, standard B1 menu and B1 form, or whatever it's your add-on menu or add-on form. They're the same. They can record it by the B1TC, because B1TC will record all of the event, you will capture the event you have done, all the operation you have done in Business One. Click the menu and open the form, this kind of things. So actually B1TC not just will be used for the test automation. It's very valuable for the other phase in the life cycle. Maybe in the beginning, for the initial testing, when you develop the add-on, you can use that for the unit testing, and then also for the regression testing for your add-on solution against each patch release for Business One and the new release for Business One, and also can be used to accelerating the your end-to-end testing for the customer upgrade project. And then you also can might be used for the data migration or integration or support as well, for the initial data loading as well. And you can get the B1TC from SDN. It's for free, and you can get it from the link here. And you can get it from the that's the homepage of the B1TC. You can get it with the SDN of SAP Business One.com, and then Business One, and then the download tools. That's the Business One homepage, and then you can go to the downloads, and then we have a series. We have a list of tools available for Business One there. And then you can go to the test tools, and you can find B1TC here, and just click this one, and then you would see the this homepage for the B1TC and the summary introduction. I'm not going to repeat that. And then you can download the setup and source code and online help file here as well. Okay, and then that's the overview introduction for the B1TC. And then moving next, I would like to show you the live demo to creating the end-to-end test automation for Business One. So the first the script I would like to record, it is to start Business One and to log in Business One with the user and password. This is the main screen for the B1TC. Before we start to record the